My interest in mechanical things began while racing bikes. I've always been playing around with bikes. I enjoy anything mechanical and doing my own repairs. I started my apprenticeship 3 years ago. I'm now in my final year of becoming a qualified motor mechanic. Working on the job and going to TAFE, that's where I gain most of my knowledge. And I really do enjoy my job. There's never a day that I don't feel like coming to work.
Okay, Dave. You game enough to try and start this one?
I've learnt a lot from Alf. He has a wealth of experience with turbocharging and performance vehicles.
I want you to check the fuel pressure, see if you've got that. There's a workshop manual on the bench.
I guess that's a good thing about an apprenticeship. You learn while you work and from qualified people. Alf, come check this out.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, we'll have to put new brake pads on this, Dave. You'll have to take the disc off and we'll skim it if necessary.
Safety is very important in a workshop. You must protect your eyes. I work on some great vehicles, which is far more interesting than specialising on one make. I suppose the advantage of a small workshop is you work on all types of vehicles. To do this work you need a passion for cars and also be mechanically minded. Got any soap left?
Okay guys, morning tea's ready.
Because we start early, morning tea's like breakfast, with the smell of fresh toast and a cuppa. Well, I guess I better take these dogs for a walk. It's all part of the job.
Come on, let's go.
Most of my work involves servicing and maintenance. You're always looking and checking for faults. G'day Rob, David here from Eurosprint, how you going? Yeah, I'd like to order a couple of oil filters. Sometimes parts aren't available, especially in older vehicles, so you have to improvise and make a replacement. It's another interesting part of the job.
Hey Dave, how you going? Got your parts?
Yeah, it's up.
Just your autograph. Thanks. Cheers. See ya.
Anything to do with brakes requires careful attention. It's always important to road test the vehicle thoroughly. I also diagnose faults. Major services are the best, replacing cam belts and tuning. That's what I like.
Dave,
Yeah.
can you check the timing on the Lancer before it goes, please?
Yeah, rightio.
Okay, timing 5 degrees plus or minus 2. It's satisfying to see a rough running vehicle leaving in top condition. I think what's unique about my job is one moment I can be servicing vehicles, the next doing a major engine overhaul. Today, most vehicles have onboard computers. These monitor and calibrate engine performance. I check computer codes for any faults. Having an apprenticeship is a great way to go, and you're being paid while you learn. It's not much, but you have to remember, you are being trained on the job. Employers like people who have some basic industry skills. TAFE offers pre-apprenticeship courses which helps in securing an apprenticeship. For me, clean hands have never been an issue because I've always been a bit of a grub, but I'd rather have dirty hands and love coming to work than do a job I didn't like.